हेलो पीपल, मैच नंबर 28 आईपीएल कंटिन्यूज। आज का मैच शारजा में है और आज खेल रहे हैं बैंगलोर एंड कोलकाता, रॉयल चैलेंजर्स बैंगलोर, कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स. I am just wondering why we don't have the Kolkata supporters joining us. I mean, of course, we have some Kolkata supporters joining us, but there are some others who keep talking about Amar Bouquet KKR. They are not here with us today. No worries. We will have an exciting conversation. 6 सवाल है, 6 सिंपल सवाल है जिसके सिंपल जवाब आप लोगों से अपेक्षित है. तो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे दीपांकर से. हम पहले दीपांकर के पास जाएंगे, फिर कृति के पास जाएंगे, फिर मयूरेश के पास जाएंगे, फिर जयंती जी के पास जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो पहला सवाल आप लोगों के लिए, व्हाट विल बी अ सेफ स्कोर बैटिंग फर्स्ट टुडे? Will it be between 185 and 200? Will it be between 200 and 215? Or will it be over 215? Dipankar.
Over 215.
Okay, so this is Sharjah, short sixes, huh?
I mean, matches have been won above that score, chasing more than that. So it's very simple. And when you have someone like, AB de Villiers or someone like Russell, the score is small.
True that, absolutely. Kriti, do you agree with him? What's your take?
Considering that I have been out of the match watching game for quite a few years now, but still, KKR used to be my favorite game. So I am going to place my bets with Dipankar and yes, 215 plus.
Okay, Mayuresh.
I'll go with 215 plus. Since it's a Sharjah, a small ground, so I'll go with 215 plus.
Okay. Jayanti ji.
Safest score 215 above.
215 plus. Okay, so we have absolute unanimity in this question. I should not have asked this question. But anyway, the second question is, which top order batter from KKR will hit a half century today? Will it be Rahul Tripathi? Will it be Shubham Gill? Or will it be Nitish Rana? Dipankar.
Shubman Gill, because he's very consistent and opening the innings gets a lot of time to bat. Somewhere his role is not to just hit out, but keep one end together. So the higher chances of getting a 50 plus is him.
Okay. Kriti.
I was actually going to put my bets on Rahul Tripathi, but okay, now I'm confused.
Okay. I think the thing with Rahul, he of course impressed us, but I think he's been a little inconsistent. So maybe
yes, that's true.
So what do you think, Kriti? Still Rahul Tripathi?
Yeah.
Okay. Mayuresh.
I'll go with Shubham Gill because he's consistent and I think he is in a good form. Rahul Tripathi has only played 2 games, so we don't know what to expect still. I think first game he scored, second game he was out early. But I'll go with Shubham Gill for this game.
Okay, perfect. Jayanti ji.
I will go with Nitish Rana.
Nitish Rana. Hello?
Nitish Rana.
Nitish Rana. Okay. We have a different response there. Okay. Question number 3. Who will bowl the most economical over for RCB today? Will it be Washington Sundar? Will it be Navdeep Saini? Or will it be Chris Morris? Dipankar.
Yeah, would go with Morris. I know Washington Sundar has been pretty good in the power play, but if KKR off with Nareen or even a Tripathi, I think they can tackle the spinners quite well. Okay.
I was somehow thinking कि ये भी anonymous Chris Morris का response होने वाला है इस question पे. But anyway, we'll see. Kriti.
Actually yes, Chris Morris.
Okay. Mayuresh.
No, I'll differ. I'll go with Washington Sundar. I expect him to continue to be economical. Comparing his form, whatever he has done in last two matches, I expect he will be, but because I think he bowls in a power play where players are more like they are playing in and then they are attacking. So I think he will be the economical. That is my prediction.
Okay. Jayanti ji?
I will go with Chris Morris.
Okay. Okay, so we have 3 Chris Morrises and 1 Washington Sundar. I wonder why Navdeep Saini is an option. But anyway, we will see.
It's the most economical question. So,
okay. So, batters strike rate today. Okay. So, what will be the highest strike rate for any batter today? Taking a minimum of 25 runs. Will it be between 175 and 200? Will it be between 200 and 225? Or will it be over 225? Dipankar.
I think 200 to 225. Quite.
Okay. Okay. Kriti?
I was actually thinking the same 200 to 225. I think this entire discussion is going to be very unanimous.
Okay. Mayuresh?
I'll go with 225.
225, as in over 225.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Jayanti ji?
I guess 225 plus.
225 plus. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Okay. अगला सवाल है विकेट्स को लेकर के कि which spinner will pick up more than 2 wickets today? Will it be Narek? Will it be Varun Chakravarti? Will it be Chahal? Dipankar?
Yeah, it's a kind
Is
of.
Nareen even playing today? As in, is he bowling? Is he allowed to bowl today?
He is only if he is warned again. He's not going to bowl in this IPL. But then I think they will keep him bowling till he is out, because otherwise there's no point in making him sit. If he plays,
That's true.
he plays. It's tricky, between Chahal and Nareen. I'll just go with Nareen because of 2 reasons. Being a KKR fan, I want him to do well. And second is going by his form in the slog overs in the past 2 games for KKR. I hope he does well.
Okay.
It's a tight, 50 kind of.
Okay. Kriti?
I am actually confused between Nareen and Chahal.
So is Dipankar, but he's going by his heart. He wants Nareen to do well today.
Actually, yeah, that makes more sense. Okay. Actually, considering that KKR has been my favorite team in the past.
Okay, so this is
Nareen.
Okay, so this is a nostalgic
यहाँ जज्बातों
choice.
का खेल है.
हाँ, जज्बातों का खेल है. Mayuresh?
Yuzvendra Chahal.
Oh, okay. Thank
He's
you.
taking wickets regularly.
Very good. Thank you so much. Jayanti ji?
हाँ चहल ठीक है
Chahal. Okay. Okay. अब आखिरी सवाल, मेन सवाल, बेंगलुरु या बंगाल? Okay.
Bengal all the way.
So RCB or KKR? So should I not stop at you? Do you not want to say anything now that you have said Bengal all the way? Dipankar?
Yeah, I mean, they should keep their winning momentum. And as a fan, I always expect them to do well. They can. I mean, KKR and RCB, if you match them, it's not that, they're not that different. Although, KKR little bit more, consistent. It's not consistency, maybe a little bit better. They have won matches where they could have lost actually. And just going by that, keeping their cool under pressure, winning pressure matches actually gives them more confidence.
Okay.
These can be the reasons,
Okay. No, I think the biggest reason is you're a KKR fan. So.
Yeah, absolutely.
Kriti?
Oh. Yeah. Dipankar, you and I should meet offline and really give each other a high five because yes, it is KKR.
Sure, why not?
Okay, Mayuresh.
I support KKR.
Are you supporting KKR? Okay, good. Jayanti ji, is it Bengal or
KKR.
ये लो मतलब I don't know why I framed the questions today. It's
All unanimous.
it's pretty much inside. Okay, people. So I hope your favorite teams win, and please come on Play CKC and predict and make responses like this. And Dipankar has been an incredible player on Play CKC. In fact, yesterday's match he topped the leaderboards in both the matches. So 3 cheers for him.
Not only he topped it, he has crossed 600 twice in the CKC. Only person.
Absolutely, only person to do it. So Dipankar has been absolutely fabulous on Play CKC, and this is an open challenge to all of you. Can you beat Dipankar? Okay.
Stars are shining. Let's see how far.
But thanks a ton, people. It was fabulous having you. Keep playing on Play CKC. It's better than fantasy. Bye bye, people.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.